everyone, today I'm going to be showing you geometry, triangles and stuff like that, quadrilaterals. So the first thing that we've got here, this is, of course we know this is a triangle. I know it doesn't look that good, but it could be something different. It doesn't have to be this simple triangle. This is almost like an equilateral triangle, so every single angle right here, these angles have to be the same exact one. So every side, everything like that has to be the same. So this is an equilateral triangle. I'm not going to write it all, I'm just going to write equal, so you know. You can know that it's an equilateral because it has the word equal in it. And then the next thing we've got is an isosceles triangle. So for example, we could do this. It's where two sides, so these two, are the same exact length. So you could see, we can go ahead and do that. We can go ahead and do that. We can go ahead and do that. So this is an isosceles. I'm not going to write it all. I'm just going to write that because it would take too long. But I might have spelled it wrong. I don't know. But so this is where two sides, so this one and this one are the same, but one of them is different. And then we've got the scaling triangle, which this, I think I can go like something like this. Actually, no, hold up real quick. Something, maybe like we'll do that, and then we'll stretch it out like that. So that's a scaling triangle. None of these are equal. Now most likely scaling triangles do have a right angle. So for example, this one, instead of writing it as this, we would actually make this like a square. So let's go ahead and make that a square. That means it is a 90-degree right angle. So this is, we'll call it a scaling triangle. You can also call this scale. And then we've got one more. Now this one, which is technically, this is a right triangle. So it's a triangle like this that has a right angle. So this one right here is a right angle. The rest of these are not. So this is a right angle. So this would be called, you could just call it the right triangle, or just call it right. So these are the four categorizations of triangles, but there are definitely more. In the next video, I'll talk about obtuse and acute, stuff like that. But hopefully you found this video helpful on your next, I don't know, math quiz or anything like that. I don't know what it might be. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.